If you're a carburetor person but you can't find one to suit your build, check out these brand new ones from VPW Australia. Let's be honest, the world of car mods is really now based around injection, particularly electronic injection. So if you're into your carbies, you're getting at a bit of a loss. A lot of the reproduction parts aren't that great. Old good stuff is no longer available. You're kind of in no man's land, which is why VPW now offer these brand new carbies out of the box, and I mean brand new. So these carburetors, they aren't rebuilds. All these castings are brand new pieces of metal, so you don't have to deal with the problems of having warped 40-year-old carburetors. As you can see, there are a lot of different styles to choose from depending on your build. They're really designed as a factory replacement for your old car. So you've got Weber styles, Quadrajet, Edelbrock, Holley, the list goes on. So the idea is if your carby isn't up to it anymore, or you can't rebuild it, whatever the problem is, you can just slap a brand new one on, ready to go. Being replicas of original items, the idea is you're meant to be able to bolt it straight onto your existing setup and be good to go. So you don't have to change linkages to throttle cables. All of that stuff is here ready to go. So you can plug your fuel lines in, tune it up and go cruising in your old school machine. So whether you want a factory style restoration or you just don't want to deal with the complication of adding electronic injection to your vehicle, check out VPW's full range of carburetors at vpw.com.au and make sure your old car stays on the road.